There are many different ways to make work and learning more fun and interesting. Gamification, game-based learning and serious games all have a role to play, but they're different, so it's important to understand the goals and objectives to make sure you can choose the right one for your target audience. Gamification is where you take a boring subject like learning or work and make it more interesting by adding game elements to it. Gamification is easy to do and doesn't cost a lot, so lots of companies and schools are using it to make work and studying more enjoyable. Games like Duolingo help to stimulate players to learn new languages while also giving them rewards to make it fun. Gamification can be a quick fix for making learning more interesting, but it might not work forever. Players might get bored of the same gamification techniques. And at the heart of it, it doesn't tackle why the learning was boring in the first place. Game-based learning is another way to make learning more interesting. It's when you use an existing game to teach a new skill or idea. These games usually have entertainment as their primary goal, but can be repurposed for learning. Games like Minecraft or the Assassin's Creed History Tour. It's a fun way to learn because you get to play a game and learn at the same time. But to use game-based learning, you need someone who can explain the link between what's happening in the game and what the player needs to learn. A serious game, though, is designed for a specific purpose: to train a new skill, to raise awareness, to change perceptions, and all elements of the game work towards that learning objective, with all of the game interactions driving towards achieving the goals. The goal of a serious game is to make the game itself so enjoyable that people will want to play it and learn while they do. This intrinsic motivation makes sure participants don't get bored easily and have fun while they're at it. Before we go into the work of making a serious game, we make sure that we understand the learning objectives and the target audience really well, so that we can design the right game for them and advise you whether making a game is the right approach. If you want to learn more about how a serious games approach can teach new skills, change perceptions, raise awareness, or transmit new ideas, we'd love to chat with you. If you'd like to ask us questions, you can put things in the comment box, and we can help you to understand the difference between serious games, gamification, and game-based learning. Thanks for listening.